It's titled Dreams, and it's really just inspirational. It might not be the same type of poem like has been presented before, but hope you just listen to the words, understand, and be inspired. Now you see, everybody has dreams. And these dreams can be seen as a part of a team. And a dream don't have to be seen half as bad as it seems. But you're gonna get more as you grow, and it blows if you don't make it a part of your show. And that's why you can't just let it fly pass you by. If you don't try, you're gonna run out of supplies. It's all basic. It doesn't matter what you are chasing or bracing. What really matters is how you are racing. Now go about your dream from the bottom of your heart. That's the part that gives you light when you walk through the dark. Because it's gonna happen. Things are gonna get trapping. Your dreams are never done till you get a good slapping. But that's what God is here for. To help you through the storms. And therefore you got to look to Him for help, because He's gonna open your doors. And appreciate your friends. But by the end of the day, when it's all done, you're going to look back and say, hey, thanks, man.